welcome to new video, and today we have very special video for you, Checker'S Best Awards of 2021. But before we started, I wanna say thank you for you guys, for our subscribers and viewers, because you motivated us to do these reviews. And thank you every single likes and comments. And now let's start. So this year we've stayed at 100 hotels, 200 nights in 25 cities around the world.
And so this year we have 10 nominations for the best of the best in hotels and restaurants that we visited. Our jury spent sleepless nights deciding and voting for the best of the best. The results are sealed in here, and let's find out who's the best for 2021.
And the first nomination for the best design. Ready? Best design of this year, it's a Grand Hyatt Bogota in Colombia. I remember this place. It's probably the most beautiful lobby, and the room is so stylish, and also we have this luxury best amenities. And by the way, it's one of the cheapest suite we ever stayed.
If you've been following us for a while, you know that we love the views. And for the best views of 2021, the winner is Intercontinental Downtown Los Angeles. That's right, that's our hometown, and that was an amazing 360 degrees view, the best ever. And they even have a rooftop, which is like an open air terrace, and it's amazing. And also it's one of the tallest hotels in the Western Hemisphere. So imagine, we've seen all the LA all the way to the ocean. Amazing.
And the next one, it's the best value of the year. Palazzo Resort and Casino in Las Vegas. Yes, this hotel is an all-suite hotel, and even the standard room it's a suite. And also, you have access to the Venetian pools and common grounds, and they have beautiful shops area and casino. And that's why this hotel is the best value of the year.
So when we travel for work or for vacation, we always look for some extra special relaxation, and that's why spa is very important. And so for our best spa and resort activities, it goes to Miraval Resort in Arizona. And I remember this place that they had so many different activities, from yoga to climbing to different workouts and special classes and spa treatments. And they had so many of them that every month they issue a special journal with all the timetables for you. And also the concierge team was super nice, and they reached out weeks in advance. So we enjoyed our time and had our full itinerary of different interesting stuff when we were there. Okay, look inside.
Oh my gosh! Hi, how are you? Hello! I'm your dedicated housekeeper. How can I help you, sir? And the next nomination is Best No Dusty Places goes to Hyatt Regency Grand Resort in Puerto Rico. So, and this day we had huge villa with private pool and every single corner is clean. We have a lot of furniture, like couches. Everything at this place is super clean, even the pool.
And every hotel is, of course, not just about the design and the rooms. It's about the people who greet you, who meet you, and who make your stay very special. So the best service goes to Hotel de Anza in Silicon Valley. Here's why. We spent a lot of time in Silicon Valley, and this time we spent almost a week in this hotel. And every time we had even a small request, everything was done immediately, and it was so perfect.
Hey babe.
What?
I have a surprise for you, look. Bottle of wine and a postcard.
So sweet.
Yes.
I love when they leave me some welcome amenities. So welcome to Hotel de Anza. Thank you for your loyalty.
So when we stay at the hotel, we always eat something special. So the next nomination is the best restaurant. And it goes to the Bella Kitchen in Big Sur, California. This is the best food I ever tried because the conception of this place is farm to tables. They have on the side a small farm and they pick up some fruits and vegetables and bring to your table and also with the meat, and it was so delicious. I highly recommend it to try this place for your dinner experience, especially the goat cheese.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's probably the best restaurant ever.
So every time we travel, we try to look for some bits and pieces of history. And every time we try to tell you some story of the hotel, why was it created, when, and what was behind it. And for the best historic hotel this year, the nomination goes to Castle Hotel and Spa in New York.
Once upon a time, there was a prince and a princess, and they lived happily in their castle until one day.
Wow.
And yes, that was amazing. Just imagine, in the middle of New York, you can stay in the castle. And we had a pleasure to stay in the historical, genuine part of the castle, which was amazing. We stayed in one of the largest suites that they have. That was, at some point, was the master bedroom of the owners. It had amazing view, amazing amenities, and that was a very, 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 very special stay. Besides, if you want, you can even dress up because they have special costumes for, let's say, if you have a wedding or some special event, and I imagine that would be really cool. Besides, we had snow, so that was very magical. But one small point, you might have some ghost friends staying somewhere beside you.
Yeah, I hear some music. Let's go. Do you hear the sound?
someone is playing the piano, but here is no piano.
What is this? Oh my gosh, it's following you.
No, babe, it's not a fun. It's not a fun. So, everyone loves hiking and go to the camp. So, we too, but for us it's very difficult to set up this tent and make the fireplace. So, we discover glamping. And for the best glamping of 2021 goes to Ventana, Big Sur, California. At this place you have already tent with a king bed, you have fireplace and even housekeeping. And for the best part, you have set of marshmallow. And the best hotel of the year 2021 goes to
Wynn, Las Vegas.
yes.
This is pretty much the only hotel that we keep coming back again and again. We've stayed here like 10 times, and that's the best feedback we can give. This is not the newest hotel. It has opened in 2005, but somehow it aged beautifully.
And this hotel is the most techy hotel. They even have Alexa to control your light, shears, privacy tag, so like it's a perfect stay.
Yeah, and besides they have some fancy shops and lots of restaurants, even some with a Michelin star. So every time we come back, we just choose a couple of new restaurants and it feels like a new experience.
Thank you, Wynn Resort, for our experience.
Alexa, open window. Alexa, play music.
Playing Win Music from iHeartRadio.
So if you haven't seen the reviews of the places that we mentioned today, just click over here. We made a special playlist and we'll also added them to a description below so you can watch them again.
That's it for this year. We received a lot of feedback from you, and next year it would be bigger, better and more fun. So guys, thank you for watching, subscribe to our channel and see you in 2022. Happy holidays!